Hi guys, Jeff with Construction Fastening Systems. I want to show you the Titen countersunk concrete anchor. Perhaps you've used some of the Titen anchors. They work real well. You drill them the size of the anchor and drive them in with your impact. This countersunk is really nice for something like door frames or anything that has to have a recess, maybe a 1/4 inch bracket, 3/8 bracket where you have to recess that in, or you want a flathead. And so these work real well for that. A number 50 Torx drive, so you have a real steady, secure drive when you're installing the anchor. These are 3/8. We have them 1/4 inch as well. We have them 3, 4, and 5 inch in length. I believe we have a 2.5 listed as well too. We also have a selection of 3/16 stainless, and they're stamped as such, and I believe we have 3s and 4s available in that. So if you have a more corrosive environment, so give them a try. We're having a lot of guys switch away from flathead sleeve anchors and go to the countersunk Titen. They're just simple to use, fast, secure install. We have them online at constructionfastening.net. I'll leave you a link in the video description below.